Let's be honest. If your group money disappears today, who is responsible? Many of us are trusting people with our hard earned money, but we don't have proper protection. And in 2026, one mistake can wipe out everything your group has built. So today, I want to show you something very simple: how people are saving money together but losing it at the same time. And more importantly, how you can protect your group before it's too late.
It's a brand new day with Francine Chirumbo. We're ready to go, living out the dream.
My name is Francine Chirambo. And if you're part of a Stokvel, a village banking group, or even just saving money with friends, this message is for you, because saving together is powerful, but saving without structure is very risky. Now, wherever you are watching from, you already understand one thing: life is not easy to manage alone, right? That is why we come together. We form groups, we contribute money, we support each other. And honestly, that idea is beautiful because it is built on trust, it is built on community, it is built on helping each other move forward. But here's the truth many people don't want to say: most groups are still operating the old way. Handshake agreements, one notebook, one person keeping the money, and WhatsApp messages as records. All people say is, no, we trust each other. Let me tell you something: trust is good, but systems are better. Because trust can change, but a system remains. Let me explain something very simple. In South African groups, what we call stokvels, people usually save money to spend later. You contribute every month, and when the time comes, you buy groceries or share the money. That's very simple. Now, in Zambia, many groups follow village banking. Here, the idea is slightly different. You still contribute the money, okay? You contribute together, but instead of just keeping the money, you lend it out and you charge interest. So the money grows. Now, let me say something important. There is no system that is wrong. The problem is not the system. The problem is how we manage the system. Get that one right. The problem is how we manage that system. Let's make it practical. Imagine 10 people. Each person contributes 500 kwacha. You have 5,000 kwacha. Instead of keeping it, the group lends that money at 20% interest. After some time, that 5,000 becomes 6,000. All right. So that extra 1,000 belongs to the group. Now imagine doing that over and over. That 6,000 kwacha grows again and again. Now you begin to see something powerful, right? Money grows faster when it is working, not when it is sitting. You get that? So whether your group is saving to spend or saving to grow, one thing is very clear: you are dealing with real money, and real money needs real protection. And there is something very important you must understand. If your group is keeping money at home, in a box, for instance, in a bag, or with one person, you are taking a very big risk because anything can happen. The money can be lost, the money can be stolen, the money can be misused. I mean, anything can happen. I'm sure some of you have already witnessed that. And when that happens, friendships break, families fight, groups collapse. Not because people are bad, but because there was no system in place to begin with. As your group grows, your responsibility also grows. So what starts small can quickly become serious. And when money becomes serious, structure is no longer an option. You need rules, you need roles, you need accountability so that everyone understands, you know. Everybody needs to understand how the money is handled. Let's make it simple. Imagine your group has 50,000 rands or 50,000 kwacha. One person keeps it. Something happens. That money disappears. You compare this to that. There are multiple people involved. There are clear records. There is transparency. Now there is accountability. All right. Now your money is protected. I remember a time when I joined village banking, and I can tell you, I didn't even understand what was happening there. I do not know what happened there. All I saw were people pledging, okay, they're going to pay this, or they want so much, or they want no structure whatsoever. And this is what I'm talking about. There has to be accountability. And please be careful with information. If you are using WhatsApp, do not share people's personal details carelessly. Respect people's information the same way you respect their money. So remember this, saving together is powerful, but without structure, it becomes very, very risky. And one mistake can destroy everything your group has built. In episode 2, I will give you a full constitution template so your group becomes structured, protected, and taken seriously. Share this with your group because one conversation can protect everything. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.